Hello guys, this is Pawan from Embedotronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how we can push VSCode project to GitHub. So here what will we do? We will just take our previous project, and this is our previous project where I have sent temperature and humidity data to MySQL server. So this project I'll just push to GitHub, and we will create one branch also on that. So how will we proceed that? So please have a look on that the whole video. So for that, first we need to go to the our favorite browser, and here we will just search git download for Windows, and here we will just will go to this downloads git link, and here we will just click on this download for Windows. Okay, we will just click on this 64-bit Windows setup. And we will just click on it, and we'll just install it from here itself, and we click on yes, and we'll hit next. So it will be C program files git next, and already exists. We have one folder because previously I had just installed this thing, so we'll just we'll just go to that C program files git first. So what I will do, I'll just go to C folder, and we'll just program files, and we'll just git search git, and we will delete this folder first. So we'll hit continue. Okay, now what will you do? We'll just no, click on no. After click on no, we'll just say click on next. I will not see anything like that. Additional icons on the desktop and all we don't need, so we'll simply click on next, and again next. Next we can do, and next, and everything will be as it is, like any normal software installation. So we'll just hit the last install button. So now it is installing. Okay, now we'll just click on finish. We can launch git bash also, but I'll do it with VS Code integrated terminal itself. So we'll click on finish. So here are the release notes. If you want to read, you can read. So now this is the thing. Now we can just close it simply. Now what will we do? We will just if we'll just go to our GitHub account first. So first you should have GitHub account. So you just need to go to the github.com, and you will just need to click on the sign up, and all will come in the top right corner, and email ID and all. With the help of that, you can easily create an account in GitHub. That's not a big deal. So I have already created this account. So what I'll do now, I'll just click on this create new, and I'll click on this new repository, and here we will give just any name. So let's say project, let's say give it test project. Okay, so now here I'll just make it public. You can make it private also. We'll not click on readme file, otherwise some commands we will not see by clicking on that, so no need to click that. So we'll just hit on this create repository. So now as soon as we will click on create repository, so this test project has now this setup, and here you can see these are the commands. With the help of these commands itself, we can just do the things in our VS Code terminal. So what will you do? We'll just again go to the GitHub terminal, VS Code project, and here what I will do first we will just go to this extension, and we will just type GitHub pull request. So this thing. So GitHub pull request, so this thing you install first. So I'm just installing it. So this icon will come as soon as you will just click on this. So it is installed now. So this is extension. So this GitHub pull request is came here. Now here, if I'll see my account is already there, I'll just sign out from this account first, and let me just show you how we can just again, because initially it won't show you in your case. So simply what will you do, we will just again go to the project, and I'll just click on main.cpp, and we'll just click on the terminal, new terminal, and here let's get version. Okay, we need to restart our Visual Studio Code, so I'll just close it for that to make the changes its effect. So we'll just again open the VSCode, and here we will just history test root. Now we'll just let's say get version. So now you can see here, now git version is already there. So now I'll just do one thing. I'll just start doing those, giving those commands. So first let's clear, and here git init. So here it will be initialized with the empty git repository. So you can see now this turns green, and this git ignore folder came. And now what I'll do, I'll just we need to add this git repository to the make it a local repository here in this folder system itself, and we need to add onto that repository. So we'll give git add dot, and we'll hit enter. So this is just warning for git ignore, and this is coming. Other files all are added. Now how we can check that? We can check with the git status. So this is the command. So here you can see no commits yet, but changes to be committed. So these are the files. So now what I have to give command, I have to give command git. Now we have to commit -m my first commit. Okay, so now I'll hit enter. So now here you can see 11 files changed to 39 insertions. So now what will you do? We will just again go to our this thing. So till now here we have given command, and we have right now we are on master branch itself, so no need to give this git branch main command. So we'll just directly go to this git remote this command, and we'll just go to our VSCode, and we'll just give, and we'll hit enter. So here you can see now it's origin is added, and now we will just give the last command, and this is this one. So we can copy it here and paste it. So we are getting the things like error. So error speaks main does not match any this main thing. So okay, so what I'll do, I'll just git push, because we are in master command. So origin master. So now we will just get the things done. So here it will ask like this first time it will ask sign in. So either you can sign in with your browser, or you can use token also. So I'll show you both the way. So first, like if you have a token, so token, how will you get? You will get token by just going, let's say this is my thing, and if I'll just go to my GitHub project, I'll go to my settings, and here in settings we'll just go to down, this is developer settings. In developer settings we will just see the personal access tokens, token classic, and here only one time you can see the token. You have to note down that token. That's why my token is not showing here. So you can generate new token by clicking generate new token, either classic or beta. I had created using classic. So in classic, if you'll go and let me just show you. So here basically it will just give it a name and then expiration and all, and select these things, then your token will be generated. So this way you can do with the help of token. And if you want with other way around, then also it will be like here I'll just I can do with the token. And if you want with the device, sign in with your browser. So I'm just doing with the browser now. So here what you need to do, you need to just give your credential or just authorize Git ecosystem. So here we'll click. So authentication succeeded. In your case, it may ask username and password also. So you can just put your username and password, and here you can see now all things are my project is pushed to the repository. So what I need to do, I just need to go to my project, and here simply I just need to click on this code either or any fresh button. So I'll click on this code, and here you can see now my first commit and all the project's details are there. So here in the source you can see these are the CPP files what I have and all. So this is the way we can commit. And now if suppose I want to change anything locally and make the effect even in a repository also, same thing what you can do, you can just simply click on this main.cpp. Let's say I'll just copy this thing, anything I just put, let's say here I'm just putting this thing, and data sense initializing I said simply write this thing, and if I'll just save it, and here now I'll get this M sign, and it means we need to we are making changes in the code. So what we'll do, we will just git simply git status first we will check. So here you can see it is coming like we have modified main.cpp. So what we need to do now, we need to just commit git commit. Now we are adding, so am, and then in single double quote we will just say a new like updated line number 12, let's say like that. Okay, so I'll hit enter. So here you can see now updated line on 12, one file changes, one insertion. So again what we need to now, we need to just git push here instead of this you can simply do like that also, git push origin master. So I mean upper arrow key you can get the commands, origin master, just like a Linux command. So here you can see now our enumerating object 7 done. So if I'll just go to again my project, and if I'll just go to test project, and here you will see my first commit 6 minutes ago, and in source you can say updated line number 12, line on 12, this new commit we got. Now if suppose here only we have one master branch, suppose you want to create one another branch, so how will you do? So for that you need to just do one thing like git checkout b branch for branch, and then let's say new branch. Okay, now switch to a new branch. Okay, now again in the main.cpp itself I'll just, let's say, copy this thing and simply do something, write something here like dht. Okay, so if I'll just save it, and again I'll just get this M icon here. Now again we need to just do the same process, git commit am and get line number, get updated line on 13, let's say, because 13 number line I just added. So now I'll just hit enter, and here you can see new branch, this updated line on 13. Here you can see this is the thing. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll just push it to again to the our repository. So here instead of master, now what will be our branch? This will be new branch. Okay, so this way things are enumerating objects haven't done. So this way if I'll just go to here, and here you can see new branch had recent pushes 3 seconds ago. So you don't need to even refresh. I'll just refresh it simply. So here you can see if you'll go to here in the master doesn't have any change 8 minutes ago and then 3 minutes ago. And if I just go to the new branch, and in new branch you will see this is your new branch, and here you can see updated line on 13 1 minute ago. So this way you can just create another branch as well. So I hope you like this tutorial and you understood how you can just push your VS Code project to GitHub. Thank you guys for watching this video.